yung on-the-job training na every night, every city, nakakapagdagdag ng, next time pwede ko itong gawin. Next time pwede ko itong gawin. So, sa 10 city, siguro 10 beses tumaas ang confidence. At saka yung efficiency niya sa quick costume changes, efficiency niya sa mga sudden na pagbabago. Ibang magiging mangyari pala sa video dito. Hindi inaasahan. Salo. And that's what you call a professional.
I'll do my best to make him proud. Now I'm a super lady. I got my baby. You got your baby. Move your body, dance to your body. Rock your body.
She is a seasoned performer. Not just a seasoned performer, she's also for all seasons.